Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to make some pad thai for the first time. I've had pad thai quite a bit in Thailand and loved it. I'm going to kind of make my own version of it here. This is the first time I've ever made it. So it's typically made with rice noodles, but this is all I have on hand. And I'm going to supplement it with some top ramen noodles. I don't have any fresh garlic, so I'm going to use garlic powder. And I'm going to make this with tofu just for fun. And then got some bean sprouts, shallots, lime, palm sugar, fish sauce, rice vinegar, crushed pepper. I think that's about it. And then I think some soy sauce probably too. So, all right, let's get started. I'm gonna start with bring my water to a boil so I can get the noodles going. And then I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do my tofu over here. For my tofu, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little oil in the pan, saute it. Go ahead and prep the tofu here. All right, we're gonna drain the water and blot it with the paper towel. There's the tofu. Okay, I'm gonna cut the tofu into about 3/4 inch strips and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Salt and pepper them and then put them in the pan. Or put them in the pan and salt and pepper, either one. Okay, got my salt and pepper on there. Now I'm just gonna actually put them in some cornstarch and then put them in the pan. Get them a little more crispy. Once they're done, I'll just drain them in the colander. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tofu in here. All right, I'm gonna whisk 3 eggs in a bowl and set it aside. There's the noodles, they're cooling off. Set these aside now. All right, the tofu is done. I turned off the heat. I'm just gonna let it cool. Just remove it. Okay, just gonna get our sauce put together here. It's just gonna be fish sauce, rice vinegar, and soy sauce, and okay, we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2, 1. Okay, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar now. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. There we go, we'll mix that all up. And half a lime squeezed. Okay, now we're just gonna gather all our ingredients. We're gonna heat up some oil, and then we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, I'm just gonna add if I had garlic, I would just add garlic, but I'm gonna add the shallots in here. I'm just gonna use garlic powder for now. So I pick up some garlic at the store. Just kind of cover it like that. I like garlic, and then some chili flakes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs now. Kind of break the egg up into small bits. Kind of incorporated in the shallots there. Shallots and garlic and chili. It smells so good in here already. Just kind of cooking them on a little over medium heat. I should turn it up a little bit and get a little more sizzling going. Add the noodles now. fry them all up together with this, and then we're gonna add our sauce. Go ahead and add the fish sauce. Just gonna stir it all around real good. And that fish sauce will mellow itself out a little bit too as you cook it. All right, I'm just gonna add the tofu in there. Okay, then I added 3 tablespoons of extra crunchy peanut butter, heavy tablespoons. All right, time to serve it up. Now I'm just gonna add this bag of bean sprouts, mix it all in. There we go, just served up with some cilantro and lemon wedge, a little slice of lemon. I can't wait to eat it. It smells delicious. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.